is Dimitris, and today I will present you our new e-shop, which is part of our transition to Web3 technology. As it was mentioned, at AVRA, we didn't discover technology yesterday. In fact, since the beginning, we were trying to be as close as possible to technology, to automate internal tasks or with our interaction with business partners. It wasn't long ago that we decided to take a step forward and embrace Web3 technology. In fact, it was our involvement with Chain for Travel that we find out more about blockchain, we find out more about the benefits and the value of Web3. And we start to make this effort from being a Web2 company to become a Web3 company. And during this effort, we find a lot of help and support from the people in the Camino Network. In this e-shop, I would like to mention that we accept payments exclusively in digital currency, nothing else. The e-shop is built on top of a platform made by IT Compass, which takes full advantage of the benefits of Camino Network blockchain. But I would like to say a little bit more about Web3. So what do we mean about Web3? What is Web3? What is a Web3 application? A Web3 application is any application that can interact with a digital wallet. Application, we mean any kind of application, maybe any software. It can be a mobile application. It can be, in our case, it's a web-based application, so our e-shop is a web-based application. Interaction, we mean having a connection with a digital wallet, maintain that connection, above all securely, and also be able to make some kind of transaction, accepting payments, for example. So this is what we mean about Web3. It's not a singular definition. It means that we might have other functions in the Web3, other actions in the Web3, but for us, this is what it means right now. Now, Camino provides its own digital wallet, and there is a very friendly web-based user interface that allows us to interact with the Camino wallet. MetaMask, on the other hand, it's a very, very popular crypto wallet, one of the most popular crypto wallets in this world, and above all, secure. MetaMask provides also the ability to connect with the Camino network. And after establishing this connection, we can import the Camino wallet to MetaMask. Now, all this might sound a little bit difficult, but I promise you, the documentation in the Camino network site, it's really great, and you can do that in less than 1 minute. It's really, really easy. Also, MetaMask provides a plugin for all web browsers. So why do we care about all this? Because from our application, our web-based application, our e-shop, we can have a connection with the Camino wallet through the MetaMask plugin. And this is actually what the definition of the Web3 that I gave earlier. So this is what we do. Now, before proceeding to the short video presentation about our e-shop, I would like to tell you a little bit of what you're about to see so you can understand better. Now, what you will see, first of all, you will not see all the trivial bits and pieces, so you will not see searching for a destination, finding a hotel, booking a room. You will not see all this. There is already an item in the shopping cart. What you will see are 3 things. First of all, you will see the last step, the shopping cart, and what you will see are the following 3 things. First, a connection between the e-shop, the website, to the Camino wallet. And that connection will be through the MetaMask plugin. The second thing that you will see is a payment with our very own cryptocurrency CAM. So we will make a payment with CAM. And the third thing that you will see is that we mint our own NFT, our AVRA NFT, on the Camino Network, and we will send that to the user, to the traveler, with all the booking information needed. Let's watch. Now, this is the last step. As you can see, there is already an item in the shopping cart, and we can proceed with the connection with the wallet. This will bring up the MetaMask plugin, and you can see that we can choose the account that has CAMs. And we can confirm the connection. After doing that, this eShop is connected to the Camino wallet. Then we can proceed with the payment. Again, the MetaMask plugin will pop up again. We can see all the information needed to make the payment, and then we can confirm the payment or reject if we don't want to. And after a short time, we can see a very happy dialogue. Booking was successful. We can see all the information that are needed for the booking. And then we can import the NFT that we minted on the Camino network. And MetaMask also comes in. We can add the NFT, and by clicking OK, return back to the landing page of our eShop. And again, we can confirm that the NFT is part of the traveler's wallet, contains all the information needed for the traveler to go on vacation. What is missing is to actually go on vacation. And this is what we mean by a Web3 application in practice. Now, half a century ago, a little bit more, it was a novelty, it was an innovation to make payments with credit cards. More than 25 years ago, this innovation shook hands with the internet, and we all witnessed the explosion of e-commerce. Today, the innovation is to make payments with digital wallets. Today, the innovation is to accept digital currency as a payment. And this is what we're offering in AVRA. Consumer goods with payments with digital currency. And since we're in a travel business, we're offering vacation with digital currency payments. And although it may seem that paying with a digital wallet is another form of payment, which is true. It's actually true. It is another form of payment. But it's more than that. A digital wallet is a container of assets. And I will talk more about this in a bit, but before, I would like to mention that the Web3 market is picking up speed. More and more companies are trying to embrace Web3 technology. More and more companies are trying to accept payments with digital currency by using a digital wallet. And in AVRA, we don't want to miss that opportunity. We don't want to miss that momentum. That's the reason of creating this eShop. And just a few numbers to support our claim: 420 million users worldwide, which means 420 million wallets, digital wallets. Market capitalization that exceeds 1 trillion euros. And above all, there is a positive environment in the European Union and worldwide. Central banks are issuing their own digital currency. You might have heard the term CBDCs, central bank digital currency. So we're not alone. We're not by ourselves. It's not our imagination. Previously, I mentioned that paying with a digital wallet, it may look like another form of payment, but it's much more than that. It's much more than meets the eye. A digital wallet is a versatile structure. And there is a significant difference between paying with a credit card and paying with a digital wallet. A digital wallet, as I said, is a container of assets. And we can see some examples. tokens, NFTs, collectible, tokens as apps. Recently, I find out that there is a new protocol that enables NFTs to have executable code inside, HTML and JavaScript. So the owner of the NFT can interact with the NFT, and NFTs can interact with each other. And you witnessed previously in the video presentation that we made our own NFT in the Camino Network, and we sent that to the traveler with all the booking information. Now we're in the process of making our own designs for the NFT. I'm not sure if it's going to be an alien in the designs, but we're in the process of that. And this opens new use cases, or also can simplify old ones. I can give you an example. Loyalty programs. We don't have to maintain huge databases for loyalty points. We don't need extra software. The user's wallet is enough. An NFT is enough. And I'm expecting to see much more new use cases here today in this event. So for us, this project, it's not the finish line. Along with the Camino Messenger plugin, which is in place, this is the starting point. It's not the ending line. We're sure that this is an open door to new use cases. This is an open door to new opportunities for travel and tourism.